Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, mastering the art of web development is a gateway to endless opportunities. Are you eager to embark on an exciting journey towards becoming a full-stack web developer? Look no further. Introducing the Full Stack Web Development in 7 Days ebook, your comprehensive guide to learning the skills needed to create dynamic and interactive web applications from scratch. Whether you're an aspiring programmer, a tech enthusiast, or a professional looking to upskill, this ebook is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in the world of web development. With a concise and easy-to-follow format, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can master the art of full-stack web development. What sets this ebook apart is its unique approach. We understand that time is of the essence, and that's why we've meticulously curated a 7-day learning plan that condenses the core concepts of full-stack web development into a streamlined and efficient process. This means you can acquire the skills you need without wasting months of your precious time. Day 1 sets the foundation, introducing you to HTML, the backbone of web development. You'll discover how to structure web pages, add content, and understand the fundamental elements that make up the web. By the end of the day, you'll have already built your first web page, gaining hands-on experience right from the start. On Day 2, we dive into CSS, the language that brings style and visual appeal to your web pages. You'll unlock the secrets behind creating stunning designs, customizing layouts, and making your websites visually captivating. Get ready to unleash your creativity as you transform simple web pages into eye-catching masterpieces. Day 3 takes you deeper into the realm of web development as you delve into JavaScript, the language of interactivity. Learn how to make your web pages dynamic, respond to user actions, and create engaging user experiences. From simple animations to complex functionality, you'll be amazed at what you can. By Day 4, you'll be ready to explore the world of back-end development. Dive into the fascinating realm of server-side programming as you learn how to build robust web applications with Node.js. Discover how to handle data, create APIs, and interact with databases. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your web applications with this powerful technology. On Day 5, you'll master the art of front-end frameworks, such as React. Gain a deeper understanding of how to build complex user interfaces with ease, using the power of components and reusable code. Discover the joy of creating responsive, interactive, and cutting-edge web applications that will leave your users. But we won't stop there. Day 6 will introduce you to the world of back-end frameworks, such as Express.js. You'll learn how to build scalable and efficient server-side applications with ease. From routing to middleware, you'll have the. Finally, on Day 7, we bring it all together as you learn how to deploy your web applications to the cloud, making them accessible to users worldwide. Gain a solid understanding of deployment strategies, cloud services, and industry best practices. With this knowledge, you'll be ready to showcase your projects to the. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and become a master of full-stack web development in just 7 days? This ebook is your ultimate guide, offering step-by-step instructions, real-world examples, and practical exercises to reinforce your learning. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your career or unleash your creativity. Purchase Full Stack Web Development in 7 days now and embark on an incredible journey that will transform your life.